channel. So as you can tell, today Rubina is going to be tasting the food and I will be making the food. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this recipe, have a go at it and let me know how it tastes. Alright, so we're going to make stir fry, today chicken stir fry. So we've got a bunch of vegetables here, okay, so all finely chopped. So we've got mushrooms, carrots, baby corns, beans, broccoli, onion, garlic and ginger, peppers and some hot pepper as well. I've got sesame oil and oil. Also got homemade Chinese 5-spice. And we've got black bean sauce and soy sauce. We've got some sesame seeds. We've got the noodles that we're going to use, and then we've got salt, pepper and sugar. And of course we've got the chicken. Alright, so let's get started. We'll head across to the hob and get the cooking started. Right, here we are at the hob. So let's start this first of all. Okay, add a little bit of oil. Okay, the oil's ready, so I'll start by putting in the onions, garlic and ginger, and the hot chili. Right, so that's ready. So now we'll throw in the chicken. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so that's coming along pretty well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw in some Chinese 5-spice. So we're going to throw in a tablespoon of that, healthy tablespoon of that. There we go. A little bit more maybe. Alright, and along with that we're also going to use some sesame oil. So we'll throw in 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. We'll mix that around a little bit and let it cook. And while that's cooking, we'll start to have a look at the noodles and see what we can do about getting noodles ready. Okay. What we need first of all is we need a bowl of a saucepan of hot water. We'll wait for that to boil. We'll throw a little bit of salt in there and add a little bit of oil. Right, while that water's boiling, we'll have a look at the chicken. Oh, look at that. That's looking pretty nice. Yeah. Right, so chicken's about ready, so we're going to add the vegetables and continue to stir fry them. So here we go. So that's looking pretty good. Yeah, looking really good. As you can see, the water that I put to boil earlier is ready. There you go. boiling away. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the noodles in. The noodles will cook really quickly, so about 4 minutes time these noodles will be ready to go. And so the final thing we need to add is the peppers that we cut earlier. So we've got some green and red peppers. And again, just stir frying these on a high heat. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes since we've had the noodles on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a little bit of noodle here, and I can just see, have a quick taste of it and see if it's about ready. What you don't want to do is overcook these noodles. Right, so the stir fry is ready and the noodles are ready, so what I'm going to do now is transfer the noodles across the stir fry and add a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of black bean sauce. So that is that's ready and that's ready to eat. So let's get back across to the kitchen island and let's serve this, and let's see what Rubina thinks of the meal I cooked today. Right, here we are. So look at that. That is look at that. That looks amazing. The last thing we need to do is sprinkle a few sesame seeds on there. So there we go, just to give that sort of nice finishing to it. There we go. Right, so that is done. There you go. Chicken stir fry. Looks absolutely fantastic. Let's see what Rubina thinks of this dish. So Rubina, why don't you come in and have a taste?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं सब? तो आज वसीम ने डिनर बनाया है। देखने में तो बहुत मज़ेदार लग रहा है और लगता है टेस्ट में भी बहुत अच्छा होगा। मैं ट्राई करूँ।
Here's a fork. So what's the verdict? That's a double thumbs up.
It's really nice. जो स्पाइस है इसके अंदर it's really nice. टेस्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है इस रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल जैसा।
Nice.
It's really nice और बहुत ही मज़ेदार है। तो मेरी प्लेट तो रेडी है और मैं बैठ के एंजॉय करके खाऊंगी। तो अगर आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वसीम क्या करें?
If you liked watching this video and you enjoyed seeing that recipe, definitely subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and if you have any questions about any of the special techniques that I used, then definitely put it in the comment and I will reply. Okay?
तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय।